Cause I was on YouTube. Watch TY38.
Detail world, what it do, y'all already know what it do, YouTube. We done made it to the first stop of the day. Right now we doing this 2024 Range Rover HSE edition. Beautiful car. I know y'all probably think it's the same car I'm always doing. It's actually new one. This thing only got like 200 something miles on it. I thought it was the same one because like the same paint, but it's not. The only reason I knew it was different because they got these black seats. These black seats is something serious with the white and black interior. You see the monitor, see the gear shift right there. Steering wheel looks pretty cool. You see the doors. Like I said, remember the other day I was explaining the door, how the door got multiple pieces of material on it. The back. Wish these cars had third row seating. They should have third row seating, but we got the whole car done. Wasn't that dirty, but we got 2 more stops to make today. We actually had 2 extra stops to make, but I was running late because of the kids, so I asked them other people can reschedule, and they cool with it, and I really appreciate my customers doing that. But I also appreciate y'all, man, checking out the channel, man. Like always, do what y'all gotta do, man. Leave a comment, share, like, do something, you know what I mean? Because I'm gonna keep doing what I gotta do, so you do what you gotta do, and you do what you gotta do, so I can do what I gotta do, man. Let me know what y'all want to see on the channel. Like I said, if y'all want to see other stuff I took off this channel, you can go check out the other channel, which is called Around Nashville. They got everything that has to do with Nashville, Strictly Nashville, and this is gonna be the channel Strictly with Cars, and then I'm gonna do the Total Yonder channel soon with all the other stuff I was doing. But I'm gonna go ahead and park this car in the garage, get to my next stop, and I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do. We actually finished for the day. The other appointment forgot some stuff. I rescheduled the other 2 because I was running late behind these kids. But it's all good. I'm gonna go out here, enjoy this weather. You know, it's a Saturday. I usually don't work on Saturdays anyway. But we got the whole car completely done in and out. This is a Volvo XC90. It needed a good detail in the inside, and it needed a good exterior cleaning. But we got the whole car completely done. They definitely gonna be enthused with the work like always, man. But I try to tell y'all, man, you gotta take pride in whatever you're doing, man. Like, when I say pride in whatever you're doing, you gotta take pride in it, man. You gotta steady dedicated, be loyal to it, man. A lot of people give up when they don't see the numbers or whatever they looking for. You know, everything take time, man. Take growth. But we done for the day. One love, love thyself, and like always, peace.